Big breaking news coming in. India is going to be deciding on the Covishield vaccine approval today. Subject expert committee is going to be taking a final call on Covishield vaccine on emergency use authorization today. Final call coming today. This is happening, of course, remember, after UK approved the emergency use and authorization of Covishield. Now, eyes are on India. India is going to be deciding on the vaccine approval today for Covishield. Milan Sharma is joining us with the very latest. Milan, on expected lines, you were just talking about it a little while ago to us that now that UK has approved it, India will approve any time now. You said it's a matter of day, but the news coming in is that any moment today.
Yes, Sheti. In fact, sources have told India today that the SEC, the Subject Expert Committee, is due to convene today. And they would be meeting on the vaccines, and we'll have to wait and see what is the kind of response that the SEC gives today, just after the UK drug authorities have approved the Oxford and AstraZeneca vaccine. And certainly this is going to be huge news for India, because the Covishield vaccine that is being manufactured by the Serum Institute of India had just submitted all their data the last 2 weeks ago, and the Subject Expert Committee was supposed to convene in the new year. But in the light of the recent events that have happened in the United Kingdom, the Subject Expert Committee is meeting today. That's what we have confirmed. And they will be deliberating on how soon an emergency use authorization could be given to Covishield so that the vaccination process begins in India.
Absolutely. So today is the big day when we will know anytime soon whether or not Covishield stands to be approved. And Milan, since it's gone through such extensive clinical trials as well, all the fears have been allayed when it comes to the efficacy and also on the side effects as well. Perhaps it looks likely that in the final call that the SEC ends up taking it, perhaps is going to be a big yes, given UK has also approved it.
Well, certainly, that was one of the points, as we were speaking earlier as well, that the SEC was looking at, that they were waiting for the UK authorities in their country to provide an approval to the Oxford and AstraZeneca vaccine. Now, the Serum Institute of India, along with AstraZeneca, was conducting trials in India for the same vaccine and named it Covishield. And there have been extensive trials in India. There have been some adverse events as well reported, but certainly they've been unrelated to the vaccine. And experts have said that the vaccine provides more than 60% efficacy in the first shot and more than 90% efficacy with 2 shots, some weeks apart. So certainly the safety and efficacy aspect will be taken forward. And that is when the SEC will decide when to provide this emergency use authorization. And at this point, it's a very crucial news that's coming in just for the United Kingdom as well as for India, because we are yet to start the vaccination drive in the country. And this crucial emergency use authorization will provide that push for India to begin.
Even for our viewers who are watching the broadcast right now, if you could give us a sense of what the mass inoculation drive really looks like, what the government has planned, and what is the timeline looking like at the moment.
Well, Chetty, the government from their part have already said that January first week is when they would be looking to vaccinate at least 30 crore people. And this will be the first phase of the vaccination that will be funded by the central government. The government has put in place dry runs in many regions already happening, with logistics already planned, right from the airports till the vaccinating centers, where waiting rooms have been created for any adverse effect that people may have after the vaccines. In the first phase, remember, 1 crore healthcare workers and 2 crore frontline workers will be vaccinated. And after that will come the priority group of those above the 50 years of age and the elderly with the comorbidities. So a grand list of sorts has been created by the states. This list is being submitted to the central government, and all assured that many people will be included in the first phase. But it's going to be a massive inoculation exercise because of the size of the country, and each and every vulnerable group and category who's been more exposed to the COVID-19 virus in the last year alone will be vaccinated in the first phase, which is likely to begin in the first week of January. soon after an emergency use authorization emerges for the vaccine that we're talking about right now. Covishield seems to be the frontline runner in this. Bharat Biotech is not far behind, but Bharat Biotech is still doing its phase 3 trials. So we'll have to wait and see what comes out from the meeting today, Chetty.